Okay, odd thing happened on the way to the shop today. That's a good way to start something, isn't it? I noticed none of my gauges worked. Tack didn't work. Nothing worked. All the needles stayed just like they are now in the off position. And so I drove it in the shop here, and I figured it was probably a fuse, or it must be an instrument fuse or something. I looked at the fuse box. The very first fuse I looked at was the top one, which was tail lights, and it was blown. And I put a new one in and it popped right away. Well, I had put in LED signal lights, and I put this lens on the left side here. When I pushed it back in, I pinched the wire and shorted it out. And it was actually a wire that runs the perimeter lighting here, which blew the fuse, and the tail lights and the instruments are on the same fuse. So if you ever run into an issue where your instruments just stop working, check your tail lights. If they're also out, it's the fuse. And so what I did is I just pulled the lens back out, pushed the wire out of the way, and put it back together, and everything's hunky-dunky. So that's the tip of the day there.